Bailey Sarian started from a salary not enough to live on and built a multi-million-dollar business using the old Coca Cola trick.
Suspicious.
I explore here what tricks people have used to become rich so you can do the same. In today's episode, the Bailey Sarian case. Bailey Sarian entered the makeup industry, which is now worth more than $600 billion, when she graduated from high school.
Again, I didn't know anything about makeup at all. Nothing.
She started out as a salesperson at Sephora, working for a salary she said she could not survive on. At her next, better job, she was making $600 a week. But with those jobs, she learned about makeup, and when she gained enough knowledge and self-confidence, she started working as a freelance makeup artist. When she was 25, she decided to take a risky step and quit her job to focus more on freelancing. Her mom supported her and allowed her to live in her house rent-free for a year. At that time, Bailey worked various things, such as doing makeup for brides, and at one point managed to become an assistant makeup artist for major music stars. Interestingly, there is an unwritten rule in the circle of makeup artists that assistants do not say in public which popular personalities they have worked with, because it is considered an attempt to take credit from the main makeup artist. Bailey followed that rule, and to promote her work in order to get new jobs, he used social networks. So 9 years ago, in 2013, she published her first makeup video on YouTube. She was slowly gaining viewers and subscribers, but in one moment, magic happened and everything changed overnight. In 2018, the case of Chris Watts, a guy who killed his pregnant wife and 2 children so that he could be with a new girlfriend unhindered, shook the entire public. By her own admission, Bailey was obsessed with the case and wanted to know everything about it. She gathered information from publicly available investigative documents and wanted to share it with her viewers. And so, in January 2019, she published her first murder mystery and makeup video. In a blink of an eye, from couple of thousand views to 10 million views with her first so-called MMM video. Was this video popular just because of the Watts case that was covered by all the media, or did Bailey discover the secret to success? She decided to check it all out and see what was going on. The next video she was posted was just makeup. The views that the video got were nowhere near what the previous video got. Then she made another murder mystery and makeup, and again it had millions of views. Better to be safe than sorry, she decided to double check. She again posted a makeup only video, and did viewers really want to watch this strange combination of murder mystery and makeup, or was it just a coincidence? Bailey wanted to know. She posted another MMM video, and the proof was there. Millions of views. Finally, after all this checking, Bailey was sure that she should check again, and again, and again. She kept checking until mid-2020, when her YouTube channel gained millions of subscribers in just a few months. That huge success brought her the signing of a contract with the WME talent agency in October 2020, and then a nomination for the Streamy Award. Bailey has almost 500,000 followers on Twitter, 2.9 million on Instagram, 6.6 million subscribers on YouTube, and 11 million followers on Facebook. Her videos on YouTube have 850 million views, and it is estimated that this brings her more than $500,000 a year from Google AdSense. It is estimated that sponsorships bring her at least as much money. When it is known that Bailey has an online store where she sells merch to her fans, that she has a contract with Audioboom podcast where she publishes the Dark History series, and that she is working with Netflix on the series Solve Murder Mysteries and Makeup, it is estimated that her annual earnings exceed $2 million. So we have seen how Bailey got into the true crime format, but we still don't know how she manages to, compared to others who also make videos about it, get so much attention from the audience, the media, and consequently business deals.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
To understand that initial boom, when Bailey was able to separate herself from her competition, we have to mention the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm was and remains her best friend, which pushes and pushes her videos to viewers. It doesn't do it just like that. It does it because Bailey's videos have metrics that tell the algorithm that viewers are enjoying them and should therefore be offered to a large number of people. YouTube aims to keep viewers on the platform for as long as possible so that it can serve them as many ads as possible and thus make a profit. The only way for viewers to stick around is to be satisfied with what they're watching. The two main indicators of whether a viewer is satisfied or not are click-through rate and watch time. The click-through rate shows whether the topic of the video is interesting, and the watch time shows whether the creator managed to keep the viewer's attention until the end of the video. Just like other channels that make videos about true crime, Bailey's videos have a high click-through rate because the topic itself is interesting, but watch time is where Bailey excels. She makes videos that last about an hour. In them, she describes the characters and events in detail, which helps to immerse the viewers in the story. She tells the story in layers, gradually introducing new characters and details that make the story more interesting with each new layer and makes the viewers can follow it with ease. She does not have a formal but personal approach to viewers, which creates intimacy. It's a powerful strategy when done right. Bailey simultaneously transforms her appearance, which keeps viewers' eyes on her and tells a story that is sometimes mysterious, sometimes not, but always evokes a multitude of emotions. True crime stories, which are twistedly interesting and intriguing, always evoke fear, anger, and other bad feelings. By telling them spontaneously, informally, in a home atmosphere, Bailey creates a sense of security. Her viewers don't leave her videos upset, sweaty. They leave the videos with a feeling that they learned something, that they figure out what drives people to extreme acts, that they have witnessed justice being served, and that is why they return again and again. Just like Coca Cola used to put a
suspicious
thing in that drink to make it addictive, Bailey puts this combination in her videos, which causes adrenaline and dopamine to be released, thus creating an addiction in her viewers. The addiction is such that people can't think about anything other than when she's going to release a new video. At least, that's what happened to me. And I think that should be illegal. But again, I hope not.